The secret code story to money and success. Improve your English. The success code, or the secret code story to money and success. Why the rich get richer and the poor stay poor. Listen up, because what I'm about to tell you will change your life forever. If you're tired of struggling, tired of watching others succeed while you stay stuck, then this video is your wake-up call. I'm going to reveal the ultimate blueprint, the mindset, strategies, and secrets that separate the rich from the poor. And if you truly understand this today, your life will never be the same again. This is not just about money. This is about power, freedom, and control over your destiny. So stay till the end, take notes, and most importantly, apply what you learn. Because today, I am going to show you how to reprogram your mind for success. Part 1. The Billionaire Mindset. Why the rich get richer. 1. The number one secret of the ultra-wealthy. Imagine this. Two friends start with the same amount of money. Saves. B. Invest. 5 years later, who is wealthy? B. Why? Because money in the bank is losing value every day due to inflation. The rich don't just save, they multiply their money. Poor people work for money. Rich people make money work for them. Think about Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs. None of them started rich. What made the difference? Their mindset. 2. Stop blaming, start owning. I'm poor because of the government. Rich people are just lucky. If I had rich parents, I'd be successful too. Do you know how many billionaires started from nothing? Most of them. They didn't blame, they took full responsibility. Failure. Lesson. Losses. A stepping stone. The moment you stop blaming and start taking control, your life will transform. 3. Are you a lion or a caged bird? A lion in the jungle fights, hunts, and becomes the king. A lion in a cage is fed but never grows. Which one are you? Do you take risks? Do you push your limits? Or do you play it safe, trapped in a comfort zone that's holding you back? Part 2. The Money Game. How the Rich Play and Win. 1. The hidden truth about work and wealth. Let's talk about two people's surprised face. Person A. Works 9 to 5 for 40 years, always chasing a paycheck. Person B. Works 5 to 9 after their job, builds income streams, and retires rich. Who wins? B. Because wealth isn't built by working for money, it's built by making money work for you. Light bulb solution. Start now. Invest. Build. Own assets. 2. Poor people love entertainment. Rich people love education. Netflix, social media, gaming, distractions. Meanwhile, CEOs read 50 books a year. The average person, less than 5. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be is what you learn. Light bulb solution. Heavy check mark, read daily. Heavy check mark, take online courses. Heavy check mark, learn high-income skills. Because if you're not learning, you're already falling behind. Part 3. The ultimate shift. Transforming from poor to rich mindset. 1. Short-term thinking versus long-term vision. Imagine two farmers. Farmer A eats whatever he finds today. Farmer B plants seeds that will grow into trees in 10 years. Who wins? Farmer B. Light bulb lesson. The rich delay gratification. The poor chase quick wins. Would you take $1 million today or a penny that doubles every day for 30 days? Most people pick $1 million. But that penny turns into $5.3 million. That's how the rich think. 2. The hidden enemy. Small thinking. Light bulb, let me expose the biggest mistake holding you back. Poor people. Crossmark, do everything themselves. Crossmark, fear hiring help. Crossmark, think small. Rich people. Heavy checkmark, build systems that work for them. Heavy checkmark, use leverage. Time, people, resources. Heavy checkmark, scale big. Example. Jeff Bezos doesn't pack your Amazon orders. He built the system. The question is, are you building or just working? Part 4. The ultimate wealth formula. How to get rich fast. 1. The $10 versus $1,000 rule. Would you rather Cross mark work 10 hours for $10 per hour? Heavy check mark work 1 hour for $1,000 and pay someone $10 to do small tasks. Rich people buy time. Poor people waste time. Light bulb solution. Heavy check mark outsource. Heavy check mark automate. Heavy check mark focus on high-value skills. Tooth the one skill away secret. Right now, you're just one skill away from changing your life. Think about this. Light bulb learn to sell? You can make $100,000 plus a year. Light bulb learn to invest. You can grow money while you sleep. Poor people complain about salaries. Rich people build skills that print money. Part 5. The 5-year rule. Your future starts today. Look around. Your life right now, your money, job, mindset, is because of choices you made 5 years ago. And in 5 years, your future will be decided by what you do today. So ask yourself, heavy check mark, will I take action or make excuses? Heavy check mark, will I start learning, investing, and growing? Heavy check mark, or will I stay exactly where I am? Your next 5 years start now. Final words. The truth about success, money, and life. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They'll go back to their old habits, old excuses, and old struggles. But a few of you will take action. You will change your mindset, build your wealth, and create a life of freedom. The question is, which one are you? Fire if you're ready to level up. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and start your journey to success today. Speech balloon comment below. What's the biggest lesson you learned? Let's win together. Bell now go. Your future is waiting.